2013, wherever it is.
Agenda neneria ikurehete hamwe aruti a wira wa muingi thirikari-ini ikurigishirie uria honge itiganite igutigirira gutire na mahitia makeyumiria riboti-ini cia uthurimi wa mathabu ma kigina gia thirikari mwaka-ini uyu wa kigina. Munene wa aruti wira wa muingi Felix Koskei nime ugutongoretie mucemanio uyu ndetwekonainie na uhuthiri muru wa mbeca honge-ini itiganite ukiyumiria. Koskei akiruma kini gutigirira hatire mbeca cia muingi ikurira moko-ini maturia nime.
There is conscious and intentional use of public resources as well as its management. I see wasteful expenditure, especially when it comes to even tickets. Going to Mombasa these days, I see a lot of 40,000 shillings to go to Mombasa, or 36. You have gone through procurement process lawfully, but the outcome of procurement is very expensive. So this is one area I want us to address.
Going forward from this financial year, we will have what we call zero fault audit. We don't want any audit report that is qualified. We want all the issues to be sorted out. And for doing so, we shall be in a position to say, yes, we have gotten the funds and we have spent this money in areas that were intended.
Mucemanio uyu ukitariri muthurimi wa mathabu thirikari-ini Nancy Gathungu muthenya wa ira aronanirie wagagu wa uhuthiri mukiruku wa mbeca ni honge imwe thirikari-ini. Ndomereri ya Koskei umuthi ikionania wirutiri wa thirikari kuhurana na aungumania.
This time round we are not going to allow anybody to misuse government funds. Each and every officer will carry his own cross, and the president has given a very clear directive that no shilling from taxpayers' money will be stolen or will be misused.
Hamwe noguo Koskei ni okirire aruti a wira wa muingi aria makoretwo matekwoya thiku ciao cia kuhuruka, akiuga thiku iria mundu afatie gukorwo atigaritie cia kuhuruka mwaka uyu kinikirira cifatie gukorwo ire 15.
Every officer with accumulated leave has to take his leave. And the policy of government is that you can only carry forward a half of your leave days in a year. And a half is 15. So going forward from this financial year, it is only 15 days that will be carried forward. Number two, there is no commutation of the leave days to cash. So we are not going to pay for an officer not going on leave.
Ndeto Koskei ya kuruhanetie na aungumania akiaga gitumi kingi kia aruti wira ya gwitigira kwehera wabici-ini ciao kwa ihinda.
Or it is likely to be something that you want to hide in the office. So what we are saying, it can be anything. It can be because you are the only expert around, so you remain behind. But if you are not the expert around, the only person, why should you hang around? Take your leave. Let others also do their job.
Ihinda-ini ore witemi-ini ria kugarura ruhonge rwa uruti wira wa muingi, thirikari ni iruguritie ngerenwa iria iretugagwo maabitha thirikari-ini aria utungata wao kuri muingi ni wa gikiro kia iguru. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.